Hello traders, welcome back to my channel, The Pattern Trader. Here today, we are gonna see how I made around a 50% return in Genus Par. Somewhere, uh, Genus Par is a power infrastructure company which is based out of Hyderabad, and I have seen a good trend line pattern here. Not a pattern, it's basically a simple trend line. You can see a simple trend line. It has been I have drawn joined the trend line from here. Okay, I'll show you that again. I have drawn the trend line from here. See, it has been touching multiple points. One is here. It's another one here. Two, three, four. We can consider this one. Five, six, and seven. These are the multiple points where it has touched the trend line. It's showing that it has been taking the support of this trend line. It has been taking the support of this trend line. And see here, I'll remove all this. See, I'll show my order book also. This is my trade book. Yeah, I have taken few trades. Okay, this is my order book in Genus Par. Genus Par, that is for 2022, sorry, 2021. 22 4, that is in the April month. I have bought some around 200 quantity at a price of 44.7. Let's see, 44.7. Okay, somewhere here I have bought, somewhere here 44.7. Okay, somewhere here I have bought. Let's consider, let's put some arrow there. Somewhere here I have bought it. This is my entry. This is my entry. Okay, from then it has came down again. See, I'll draw you the fib retracement from here up till here. Sorry, I'll draw you the fib retracement from here till here. It's just, I have just followed the simple trend line. It has moved upward. It has taken somewhere around point 0.5. It has taken resistance and came down, took support here, took support at the same trend line somewhere around 50. Somewhere around 50 it has taken the support, and again it moved higher, came down, took the support at the trend line, and then here see, it is the resistance point here. If I show you, okay, it is the resistance point here. This one is known to be the previous resistance. Once it has gone there, got rejected, came down at the support line, again it has gone up, got rejected at the same place, then again it has got rejected here, then again took the support from the trend line. Finally it has given breakdown with a full volume. Okay, it has given a breakdown with a full volume here. You can see the volume spike. You can see the volume spike here. It has given a breakdown this full volume, and again I have taken entry here somewhere 58.15. I have bought some 200 quantity. Before that I have entered for 300 quantity also, 48.45. My first entry was here somewhere around 47.80. Then again I have bought 48.45. Okay, somewhere here 48.45. I have again just the next day. Then again I waited for the breakout. Just waited for the breakout. See, at breakout that is 58.15. Here was my second entry. 58.15. Here was my second entry. Here was my second entry. I haven't exited till now. I'm waiting for few more movements. Like I'm hoping that it would come and take support at this level, and then it starts again moving higher. Then I'll be booking my profit. Okay, I'll show you the risk reward ratio here. Okay, I have entered here. I'm putting a target of this much. My stop loss will be the last point where the trend line has touched. See this one. This is the last swing. This point is the last swing, and I am putting just below that. See, my risk reward is 3.66. Very low risk and the high reward. These are the simple patterns you can see. Just follow my channel and subscribe for more videos like this. You can open your account from Fires. I have been using Fires since so much time. I have taken order in my Zerodha. I'll maintain different accounts for my swing and as well as my long term investing. That's swing is my from Zerodha and long term is my 5 years. Okay, you can check the link down below in the description. You can open an account from the 5 years. This is my trade book. You can see these are my 4 orders. I have taken somewhere around 800 quantity. It is my okay. My investment is around 3,000. Okay. Then my profit is around 24,000. It's almost profit percentage is almost some 50.6%. Just look at the trends. Look at the trends. Find a simple trend line which is up moving, which is forming higher highs. This one high, the high formed the sorry higher lows, which this is a low, and this low is bigger than the previous one, and this low is bigger than the previous one. Like that only same. This high is lower than the previous high. This high is bigger than the previous high. Like that, you have to find a just simple pattern. Buy it at the trend line, leave it until you get your certain 10%, 20% profit, and then sell it. It's a simple trend line investing. If you want those similar videos of a similar patterns, I'll be posting in my Discord community, which is the link given below in the description, and also subscribe to the channel for more rich content videos. Thank you.